In the grim darkness of the future, there will certainly be engineers. In the dystopian Warhammer 40,000 science fantasy universe, there's a device called the Standard Template Construct, or STC, a sort of super 3D printer that can interpolate based on user requirements or the needs of a particular colony. Something like that probably lies in our future as well, and not all the way in the 41st millennium either. What's the future of manufacturing? I think a lot of it is going to be automated, although not necessarily in the way you might think. Sure, industrial automation, even fully automated factories and warehouses may lie in the near future, but something a bit more interesting is going to be coming to your home, perhaps in a few decades from now. Imagine a sort of super 3D printer, something that can produce plastics, maybe electronics, maybe metal. Will interpolate from first principles if necessary. Imagine a algorithm that recognizes certain terms in your voice, tries to convert those into quantifiable physical things like the thickness necessary for a car chassis or the type of suspension you need. Then it loads up a template file, say like a drone or a remote controlled car, then begins producing items interpolated or extrapolated from that template based on the characteristics you input. Like, you want a drone that can carry a certain amount of cargo, or maybe you want a fast one for recreational racing. You want a car part for a certain older type of vehicle. You would pull up old, maybe patent or CAD files to find what you're after. A lot of manufacturing is going to be open sourced, decentralized, and automated. Even if certain things are banned or restricted legally, chances are your fabricator device or super 3D printer might be able to develop something functionally identical. The future of manufacturing has only begun to be built. That's why engineering is one of the coolest fields to get into.